to our channel. Today you guys are going to be joining us on Thanksgiving. We're going to be cooking our Thanksgiving meal, but before we begin cooking, I wanted to thank you guys for joining us today and wish you guys a happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone! put the turkey in the oven. We already went ahead and prepared our turkey yesterday. I preheated the oven for 425 because our turkey is like a 19-pound turkey, so it's gonna have to cook for about 3.5 hours. So we already preheated for about 20 minutes, so now I'm gonna throw my turkey in the oven. And it's gonna open the oven for me, and then we're gonna pop our bird in. Got it. So we just wanted to let you guys know that we're super thankful to share this food with you guys, to show you guys what we have for our Thanksgiving. But we also wanted to let you guys know that above the food, we're more thankful for you guys. Thank you so much for being a part of our community and sharing this journey with us. And to many more videos.